It is my great honor and privilege to welcome you the most warming this evening to the Top Talk. I'm delighted to welcome our speakers of the book Voice of Mentors and Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People, Shravan sir, seniors, and my dear friends. Let us start this session with our innovation by Kushala. Over to you, Kushala.
This is who we are. We are a team, talented, energetic, astonishing mindsets. We can do anything and everything. We talk, we care, we respect each other. We see beauty in everyone and everything. We are connected by hearts and driven by values. We celebrate each other. We provide value to others. We take ownership in everything. We have freedom to make mistakes. We learn as we go. We are mad to make a difference. We love disruptive ideas. We make impossible things possible. We are strong to question the creation. We believe in dreaming big. If we do not dare to dream big, are we really living? Why be ordinary when we can be extraordinary? This is who we are.
Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People, written by Nivedita, Supraja and Chandrudu. Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People is one of the best books which we all felt, and this book is really having a heart-touching stories of common people. This shows how these people care about each and every individual. It was really nice startup which inspires to many of the students to do such things. Let us know their experience in this journey. Let us start with Nivedita. Nivedita, please share your feelings.
Yeah. Hello, good morning Shravan sir and good evening everyone. Before sharing my experience, I will present my screen and I will share you what we have done. So welcome to the most craziest book, Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People, which is crazily published within a week, just with 14 pages in it. So how it got started? This book, we are introduced to this book with the TED Talk, How We Are Honoring People Overlooked by the History by Amy Adnani. So the overview of this TED Talk is how people are how most of them are not recognizing the achievements of many people who have done many things to this society and also to the world. And we will, Supraja, can you share the other? Can you say the other two?
Yeah, thank you, Nivedita. So we got started first with our Crazy Five team. Unfortunately, two of our friends did not had the chance to participate in all the discussions we did. So we were three people from Crazy Five. We were just three: me, Nivedita, and Chandrudu. We three began to start our discussion every week, not every week, daily, maybe for 30 minutes, and we discussed many things. And finally, we came up with three different thoughts, and we asked Shravan sir, we presented our thoughts to Shravan sir. So sir said we can have some little corrections in that. So we no more five, and we are now five people. But we had editors now. We are three authors, Nivedita, Supraja and Chandrudu, and three editors, Vivikta and Hafsa. So can you please explain about that?
Yeah, the last one is the special one which I have kept here. Like everything, every shape has its own importance, and this is also like one of the important shape. Like the center is one of the backbone for the background. So like I'm trying to say that Shravan sir is the backbone for this for our support, like for our book. He encouraged us at difficult times and he supported us a lot. And we will move on to the third slide. How does this book change our life? What we thought before starting this book. Supraja, please continue.
Yeah. What we thought before starting this book, we thought of thinking positively. Like we may have some issues with other people, but we were very confident. Like we should ask everyone about this story, whether they are ready to give the story or not. But we should ask them with full heartfully, so that they can believe in us and give their story. So we thought of thinking positively at the first one. This is what we thought of for the first time. And patience. We are patient enough to ask everyone whether they are ready to give, or whether they are ready to write the story, or they tell us to write. So we asked many people, like some of them gave the story, the written one, and some they said the story, and we wrote their stories. And like there was some time, like when two of our friends left the team, uh, we did not even lost a 0.01 courage. Nivedita and me, we are confident, like we thought of even if Chandrudu leaves us, we are not going to leave this book. This is our book and we are going to complete it. These were the points in our mind. So somehow we could manage our time and everything, and book is with all of us now. And self-worth. We were confident enough about all us. We were very sure that our stories, like not about all the people, but people around us who we want to say that we care you, and common people are not at all like they have many accomplishments, and we are here to listen you, and we are here to say the world that we, common people are very special to us. So Nivedita, can you say what we gained while working on this book?
Yeah, thank you, Supraja. What did we gain while working on this book? Firstly, we all have kept in our mind that we should think positively, and then we had no complaints regarding nothing. Like even some of the situations are even at worst, we didn't we didn't fell to the negativity, and we didn't keep our mood so badly. So we started working on it and dealing with situations. Like from patience, I feel patience is everything, and with the patience we can deal any situation. Even and from perseverance. Perseverance is like a strong desire in doing something. Like at first, it is really difficult to start with the book and spend more time on it, and it really took us 3 hours time. But then on, like we move on to the smart work, like which we really kept important to that, and now we are getting only 1 hour time for each book. I mean for each story, and then on and then self-worth to teamwork. Self-worth, like we firstly thought we should value ourselves, and from self-worth to teamwork, the power, we believed in the power of we. So that is what that is all made us this book that is all made us to write this book. And fourth slide, what are we doing? Chandrudu, could you please explain this?
Yeah, thank you. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. First, we are doing we are sending messages to everyone and approaching as many people as we can, and saying about the theme of this book and how we are doing this, and saying that this is different from everything and different from every thoughts of everyone, and it's really best. And we are writing about their family members or their well-wishers, and which are really heartwarming stories. And this is made in 2 ways. The first way is we ask them to write their story, because we are giving them the freedom to write their own story, and that is the one. And we will give it to editors, and editors will give edit the story, and if the feel which they are giving that is satisfied by them after editing, then we'll publish the story. And the second thing is we are capturing some moments or some things that they had in their life, and while calls or Zoom meets like this, and we are recording it, and we are writing the story in our own words, and sending it to the editors, and editors will edit the story, and then we'll publish it into our book. And these stories are too short and sweet and really heartwarming. And the many people are showing interest to send their stories because this is really exciting idea to to give their story to present and to read everyone. And the editors are doing the best they can, because we are publishing a book, so we are really conscious on what we are doing, and that's it. Over to you, Nivedita.
Yeah, thank you, Chandrudu. Finally, we are showing gratitude to everyone who contributed their stories and who have come forward to write a story and and said for us. And thank you everyone who contributed their stories to our book. Thanks a million. That's it.
Nivedita, do you want to show the book?
Yeah, sir.
This is the first story of a book, A Farmer from a Young Age. And this is the story of my grandfather who is a farmer. Farmer from a young age. This is about my grandfather who is 65 plus and still doing agriculture. So I got a lot of inspiration from him. So I thought of writing about him. So this is the story of my grandfather.
Yeah. This is the story of my father, the story of a common man, yet paragon of my life. Like he faced a lot of struggles in his life, but like he didn't stop there, and he moved on. He moved on, and he helped many of the poor people in saving money. So this inspired me a lot, and a lot more is there to write about my father. But this is just a part of his story, and yeah, story of Jasper.
Yes, this is story of my brother Rajkumar, and he completed his graduation, and I inspired a lot by him, because he is my brother, and I wrote everything I can, and most of my writings are really effective, and I mean I shared my feelings in it, and shared a lot in it, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to share about my brother.
This is Shivani Akka's story.
Yeah, literally, like by reading the story, how beautiful written, and very happy to know about Shivani Akka's parents.
Yeah, really
First of all, thank you for asking each and every one of us to write our stories. It is so so nice of you, so sweet of you, and yeah, this is my story of my parents. My parents always say like they don't feel that they have two daughters and they are burden. They feel we are their strength, and this story goes like that.
Thank you, Akka. This story is about my teacher, my favorite teacher in my school times. Like she never used to compare any one of us. She only used to focus on knowledge rather than marks. So like I learned a lot from my teacher. So this is about my teacher. Another story of mine.
Before saying this, revealing the person of the story, can anyone guess who is it?
But we don't reveal.
You can by knowing by seeing the title.
This is Nishita's story. Like this story is about Nishita's mother. Like even though she faced a lot of struggles, like she is a super and energetic woman. Yeah, she had a lot of courage in handling the situations. We really got inspired by reading her story. Nishita? Miss Nishita?
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to share my story. And this is the story about my mother. If you read it, then you can feel it. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nishita. This story, Accidental Realization. This is Vivikta's story. Vivikta?
This is just about an accident which I faced a year back and which made me realize the importance of parents and how we ignore them. So I think you should read it. As Nishita said, for the feel, you should definitely read it.
Thank you so much, Vivikta. And finally, this is thank you page.
Can I say a few words?
Yeah, sir, sure.
Okay, so you can see, there are so many good things in our life. There are so many people who have contributed to who we are. And if we start looking at everything we have in life, it has happened because, of many, many people who have contributed in the past. And, it's really hard for history to capture everything. And especially, when you ask a government or some institution to do it. So it is very important for a community to capture their own stories. And the more we capture our story, the more, the better we are. Because if we don't capture our story, someone will tell their story and, override our story. Then we won't have a story of our own. The other people's story becomes our story. And the more, in the last 20 years, one of the things I've really learned is how the Western civilization has overridden our stories. And I always used to think that BBC News was better when we were growing up. So somewhere we have decided to say BBC News is better. And once you say that, then we are saying the news in India is not better. So we are putting ourselves down, right? So when you start telling your story powerfully, then you start becoming, your society becomes better. You become a better person. And you'll see opportunities starting to show up in your life. So everyone should take an opportunity to, consider, writing a story for this book, and you can see that you get acknowledgement for your story. Your name gets to be there in the book, and your parents, your friends, your relatives, anyone who you think has made a difference in your life, I think this is a great opportunity to write, put a story about them. Great job, Nivedita, Vivikta, Hafsa, Chandrudu, and Supraja. Well done. This is like one of my favorite books.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. You told right. When someone writes our story, it becomes their perspective, not our perspective or not the things which we faced. So I think it's really good to write our own stories.
And also the great unique thing about this book is this is never ending one. Like like we can keep on adding stories to this.
Yes, Akka.
Just what it makes it special.
Series.
Yeah.
Part 1, part 2, part 3.
Yeah, you have lots of courage and lots of spirit to do it. And let's go with next. And Voice of Mentors, written by Apurva, Deepthi and Rohitanna. Voice of Mentors is one of the interesting books that we can know about the alumni and mentors. They are really doing a great thing and have lots of courage to know about the mentors. Let's know their experience in this journey. Let's start with Apurva. Apurva?
I guess Rohitanna would start it better.
Okay, anyone
Thank you,
can
Apurva.
start.
Okay, I'll start. First of all, we are not done with our book, but yet we are celebrating our experiences now. We are knowing our experiences. Thank you. it's in the process of writing that book. First of all, before telling about experiences, I would like to tell the indeedness or the greatness of this idea, Thope mentorship. Not only Thope mentorship or mentorship idea, there were many ideas right from the starting of ESL. Last night we were discussing and we were remembering all the things what a one man idea has changed, and now it's a ocean of many people. So I would like to just tell those ideas right from the starting of ESL from my side. There are many, but from my side I would like to cover few things. And first of all, like mentorship, before mentorship idea, there are many ideas, as I said, bringing up the and mostly if you go anywhere, if you go by talent or without talent, most of the people see they ask what are your talents, and by that they judge you or they give offers or opportunities to you. But here the case is entirely different. Even we are not aware of our talents. The bringing out hidden talents is a big task. How can we know? Even we are not aware of our hidden talent, but a man from US has known hidden talents from us, like in us. So bringing up the hidden talents rather than giving judgments with the talents that are shown is very phenomenal and very great, I can say. This is not even happening. This is not happened anywhere, and I think it would take more years to happen in India. So bringing up hidden talents is one of the, and that's how we brought hidden talents out, and the talents grown up and accomplishments has formed, and we are celebrating it now. And the ESL idea, as we all know, but still I want to express it out right now. ESL idea, club's idea, conversation with very accomplished people, and the thought of conversing with the people and thought of writing a book on them is one more thing. Like we are not expected, like we didn't expect, I didn't expect it, like this way also we can write a book. So conversing with that people is another great idea. Spending time with them, how we can spend, we generally think if we give a contact of one or two distinguished people, we may think how to contact, what to speak actually. So we had, like, our team had a conversation of the entire life journey of them. So entire life journey takes more time to speak to speak and to know their journeys. So we wrote book and we presented their life journeys, which made us happy and them also. And editions of, like, there are different editions, Pioneers edition, Entrepreneur edition, editions, not only writing a book, and we just started writing a book and it took 2 editions, different editions, and now we are still running with many books in front. And Michelle, like meeting with Michelle Mars and USA people and famous people or distinguished people, and everything, projects, assignments, conferences, everything. And he is the reason for our busy schedule right now. And yes, he is a man from the future and for the future, and living in the gardens, living near the gardens of gods and in the hearts of in the gardens of hearts. Thank you very much, sir. We are still in depth of you of gratitude, or what we can say. This is we are making different, and yes. And about our mentorship, this mentorship idea, we all know about mentorship and how a mentor play a major role in one's life. There are formal mentors in life. There are many mentors throughout our lives, right from the childhood. You have a mentor, like your parent is a mentor, your teacher is a mentor, your friend is a mentor. Everyone in every situation are mentors to our life. But formal way of mentoring is something different. And a formal way in the sense, like a student to like an employee or a distinguished person to a student, mentoring is something different, I can say. Mentoring in different institutions, when you take a course, there will be a mentor, that is another, and this is another thing. So this is where we are again making a difference. Mentoring a student and mentorship is not starting somewhere else. Here, starting here, and we started it. This will create a big results in the future. So mentorship idea and Thope mentorship. So when you add a word Thope, it becomes more than Thope. So Thope mentorship, this is really glittering name, Thope mentorship. So Thope mentorship, we we got mentors, wonderful mentors. We are engaging, like we are speaking with them, we are talking with them and sharing our ideas. And this is a great journey. So why can't we put this journey also into our books? We had discussions previously, and we felt to put this wonderful journey into a book and present it to the world and showcase the power of mentorship, and it can influence other people to have mentors or mentees, or this mentor-mentee relationship in any case, like in employee field or in professional or non-professional, everything, unprofessional things. So this mentorship, top mentorship, will influence number of people out there and can create miracles. So with that idea, presenting the journey into our books, we moved on to writing a book called Voices of Mentors, and still we are thinking of another name also. We would like to have another name for the same book, Voices of Mentors, and the journey started, and we started writing, we started choosing mentors and had a great time. Yes, this is the intro part. I am confining to intro.
We learned many things, Hannah, from you. It was nice to talk to you. And Deepti, next, what are your experience? How did you felt? You can please share your details.
Yes, Murthy, thank you. Coming to the after introduction part, let me say you that we have chosen some mentors, like according to we have taken some consideration and we have chosen the mentors. First thing is that. And the second thing coming is like we are not going to reveal anything now. We are just going to share our experiences. First, we are sending messages to the mentors, like asking them for the comfortable time for them and convenience time. Then we are taking the interviews. While interviews, we have never especially me, I've never expected that I'll learn many things from there. In a top talk, like we'll be having a top talk, but only regarding some technical questions or some suggestions we'll be seeking. But it's completely different from the interview. Interviewer, like we have learned many new things about their lives and many suggestions, like they have faced some situations, but we learned when we can also use that situations and make our life more comfortable, because they had much experiences, so that like they have given many suggestions I can't express now. I think you need to read the book. Then only you can feel that. Yeah. And the naughty things we did, Apurva will continue.
Apurva, I think you can continue now. We want to live.
Rohit started it with full on fire. Like he told the importance of mentorship and mentorship in a very magnificent way. Like yesterday we were talking about everything, like mentorship, e-cell and all, and we were like just amazed how can, like should not reveal it, but we were thinking about some things while we were discussing about the book. How can one person be like, we'll be thinking, right, we are the only one, how can we make a change, how can we make a difference? But whenever we ask this question to ourselves, we just remember Shravan sir, that he did it, and why can't we? And we can do it. Like seriously, being one person, we can do everything and anything. So yeah, I have never expected the journey of this mentorship book would be so incredible, that we have interviewed few people till now, and every interview just went on like that. Actually, our time limit was only up to 45 minutes or something like that, but we had great conversations with them. We have learned many things, like the way everyone expressed, like our mentors, the way they expressed was just amazing, and we were inspired by their stories. And then we felt like, yes, we are doing something incredible. And when you are going to read this book, you'll definitely find everything the only word comes to my mouth is incredible. you'll definitely find all of their stories incredible, and we all can experience that the impact of mentorship on us. Like each of us has got mentors, and Shravan sir is our mentor, of course, and we can see how we got transformed. Like Rohit Anna said, formal mentoring is something that is different, because of course we have teachers, like our parents might be teachers, but still if someone else outside teaches, then like I have heard this many times, that people like students will be comfortable when somebody other than their parents do this. Like of course our parents, our teachers, everyone are mentors from the childhood, but still at this point, BTech time, mentors are very important. That is what I feel, because many of us come from the background where our parents are not don't have very much awareness about the like the study or the situations we are in, and of course we undergo many mental changes, of course, and we should find some person to share everything. And of course they might not suggest us or they might not give us the right solution, but sometimes sharing something with the right person, and they listening to us and sharing their experiences might give us answers. And like mentor, how I it is just like they are the ones who correct our path. It looks like they do a very little part, but they play a very crucial role, because like just take an example of a rocket. Like when it is revolving around a planet or something, like when it is moving, if it just deviates by a little angle, it is going to reach its destination somewhere else. Like and that little angle, like 0 point angle, matters a lot. And here same with the student too. So here that little deviation is corrected by our mentors. So firstly, we would like to thank Shravan sir for this incredible idea of writing a book on our mentors, and we are all eager to eager to publish our book, and we encourage all the authors, those are going to write the next series of Voices of Mentors. And coming to our journey, we talk for it's little informal, of course. We talk for 1 to 2 hours daily, in which we discuss about mentors, like the book, for literally half of the time, and then we'll be teasing each other, and we'll be learning new things also. We got to learn many things in this journey. So it goes like that. More fun, more learning, fun learning. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
From mentors, but we have learned many things from Rohit Anna also. Before, yes, we did not have much a friend, like a relation with Rohit Anna, but with this book, like we learned many things. I can't say in one word. That's really amazing to connect with Rohit Anna.
Two of my teammates are two different people who are very much enthusiastic, and I think I'm the little lazy one, of course. Thank you.
So, like, why it is incredible means the fact, like, we started conversation with mentors on the right time, right people at right time. Like, and the journeys are very incredible, of course. And the interesting thing is we contacted with them, like we started conversation, we had a meeting on the right time. Like, one of our mentors who are in the science field, who explains everything about science very deeply, and he made science to be entertaining. We had a meeting with him on Science Day. So our Science Day fulfilled with total satisfaction. Personally, I felt as total satisfied. That was really great. So this is what I mean to say. Like, we right persons at right time and right things at right time taken place, and we enjoyed it, and we are still enjoying and will be enjoying more.
The best part is whoever we approached and everyone said that you're all like our children. Not me, not Deepti, not Rohitanna. Everyone of us, they treat all of us like their children, and they are like, anytime you can contact us, we are there. And we are like, the people we got as our mentors are just like, they are very humble, being at very good positions and everything. They are very humble, and they are looking forward to collaborate with us and support us. That is the beauty, where it's like a man who connected all the stars in the universe and created a beautiful constellation. Thank you, Shravan sir.
And one more, yes, I would like that. And one more point is, they are responsible as like they are even considered our invitation when they are traveling also, irrespective of a network problem and all. They are eager to start conversation with us, and even while traveling, mentor accepted our invitation, and in the whole traveling we completed also, and that was one of the experiences, different experiences while traveling mentorship.
Other thing I would like to add is that this book is not going to be in the formal way like other books went on, like question and answer. We are trying to do something different. Please look it after the publications, after publishing.
And this is not uplifting ourselves, but it is true.
Yeah. We're just trying different.
Not only like Q&A, but mixture of everything. And we have painting Deepti, so we'll use her paintings too.
We'll use everything, every resource we have. We are going to use Deepti like anything.
Yes. Can I say a few words?
Yes, sir. Sure. We are waiting.
Okay. So I want you to tell me why right now we have like about 18 mentors, I think. And there are so many people waiting to be mentors, and these are there are lots of older people, okay, and I'm telling you, some of these older people are not really smart people. Some of these older people are not mature people, but the mentors which we received are absolutely amazing people. They want to learn every single day. They are like getting up in the morning to learn and to appreciate life. So when they are talking to you, they are saying, how can I learn from Deepti? They are not thinking, oh, I'm going to tell Deepti, but they are also thinking about how to learn from Deepti. So how did, there are so many people, and how did we attract? I think we attracted some really, really, really good people as mentors. How did we do it? You guys tell me. This is a question for all of you. Let's see who's going.
Sure. When we speak with hearts get connected.
Okay. Good.
I think I heard this in one of the video that you sent. I don't remember, but it says that money is everywhere. It is the one who has magnet can attract it. So I think same formula gets applied here.
I think I told this in the NERA conference also in my presentation, that what attracted me to ESL was that its values were reflected in the members. So I think everyone got attracted because of that only. Those values were not vague, and all the members are trying to keep up to those values. I think that is what attracted more and more people.
Yes, because of value, build to value system. and we have
Can
something
I
to
add
show
a
them.
point for it?
Yes.
When we start showing interest another, then people automatically start showing interest another.
One thing.
I have got this point from a book. Okay.
Sir, can I say one thing?
Please.
A big applause for each and everyone, each and every individual of ESL family who is a reason for who is a result of who is a reason for one's upliftment.
So this is like you guys are generating the energy for all of those reasons, are creating energy where people are just saying, you know what, we want to be associated with this group. I was just informed for every 1 lakh people, only about 1 person or 10 people or something like that, it's very small amount of people are, I think it is about 100, I think. Out of every 1 lakh people, about 111 people or something like that are employable. So about 11.9% people are employable, it seems. After 1 year of repair, it takes them 1 year to repair them, and then they are, useful for a company, it seems. That's what I got information from one of our mentors, who is very high, who has hired thousands of people over his lifetime. So I asked him, what did he think about ESL students? He said, 100% employable. He would take all of them immediately. So, and I said, you don't even know their technical capabilities. He said, no, I don't need the technical capabilities. I just need their attitude. So your attitude that you want to learn, your attitude that you want to assist other people is, once you start doing that, then the communication skills start coming. Once communication skills start coming up, then the technical skills will start coming. So it all starts with the attitude, then the communication skills, and then technical skills. But somehow within the community and the school system, we seem to start with technical skills, and then we want to go to communication skills, and then we try to go to the attitude. So because of that, we waste a lot of time. And it's not fun journey. If you go from the top to bottom, it's more fun. It's the journey is more fun. So can you see how you're also becoming more? You're talking in front of so many people. Fantastic, great job.
And like you said, the value system is more about, our value system is more about giving. We expect less and give more. So the other day you were talking about people who speak differently at other platform and differently here. So it's all about it is the way that we if we the way we receive them, or it's just like a reflection phenomena. It's that's it.
Sir, I do want to add one point. Like some or the other time we will be complaining about others, but I want to say one thing. We can't change person's mindset, but we can change the attitude of living our own life. That is what I learned here, sir.
Okay, so my question is for 3 of you. Can you tell one weird habit or one weird thing you noticed about each other through this journey?
I think we can start with Apurva.
There are a lot. These people are weird, even me. Yeah, not weird things, but I haven't thought Rohitana would be this free with us, because he always talks about something technical, everything. But yeah, he taught us very good good subject. But yeah, he is very good at explaining things. And about Deepthi, we argue about the same point, and she can't understand my point, and I can't understand her point. But still, it's just fun. Yeah, I think that's the beauty of this culture, because if the same situation happens with some others, it becomes a misunderstanding. But for us, it's fun. Yeah, that's it.
I can say I have experienced that situation where these both
Many
fight on the
times.
same point, and I try talking between them, but they don't listen to me.
Vivekta is the one who always, yeah.
They'll solve it by themselves, or they'll leave that matter.
But we'll
I
not
think-
leave fighting. We'll definitely fight.
The other thing is like, Apurva said about Rohit Anna, even I felt that. Rohit Anna made us learn many different things, but we did not expect that. Like he'll tell importance of everything. If it is a video, he'll tell the importance of that video. If it is some webinar related to that, he'll say that importance to us. One webinar, sir, I don't know, we have shared in the group. We did not saw that and we ignored that message successfully. Rohit Anna gave an alert for us that telling, did you see that video? We said, no, we did not. Then joined. We three have joined and enjoyed a lot in that video. I can relate that video with our ESL team. That was really good experience for us. I think no one have watched that. Only we three watched that video.
One point I would like to add, that was a technical session, but whatever, everything he said was all about mind and heart. And I thought everything, we had everything.
Not only that, but we learned many things from Rohit Anna. If we say, I think he'll off his video. Rohit Anna?
Weird thing, first I would like to tell about Apurva. Apurva, not weird thing, funny thing. Apurva is good at laughing. So our call starts with laughing itself. Whatever the matter it is, our call starts with laughing. So this laughing fills us to laugh more and enjoy. And there is no day I left without joy after our call. Even we don't there are some days we don't know what to discuss, but I am eager to have a call, and in that call only we got to know what to discuss and further process of writing a book. So this is one, and we are not confined with our our joy and happiness within us. We also extended this happiness to other members of ESL also through Hindi conversations. We started Hindi conversation, Butler Hindi conversations. So that was really interesting. Silly thing. So why not silly every time? So technical and all, we are not very. We should not incline totally on technical and formal way. So let us make it silly without, and started Hindi conversations. So Butler Hindi conversation, and that also, I hope that also created a silly happiness in everyone. At the time we started Hindi conversation in the group.
And I hope it continues. Please continue.
Yes, it continues. And Butler Hindi will become good Hindi soon. Silly, yes, top silly session. Yes. These are things.
I think you enjoyed a lot, Anna, with these people, and we are eagerly waiting for your books. And Nivedita and other team can answer these questions. Supraja, Chandrudu.
Our waiting. We had no such I already said that we crazy five are always the crazy five. No matter is that a one person who is left with this book, one or two or three, we will still remain the same. Even they both are not the part of this book. Even though we will be talking and having funny conversations daily. So I'm really blessed to have these people. And funny means we will have sticker fight in WhatsApp. That's it. We will be having a lot of sticker fight, and I will be fighting more with Chandrudu. Sticker fight.
And Nivedita learned me how to do sticker fight. I don't know what stickers are before, and she is the first member who sent me a sticker.
Yeah, Supraja and me, like we both will be doing, like we are like crime partners. We both will be doing everything. Like we both will be as a team, and we will be calling someone else, like, and we will be doing naughty things. That's it. But these people are the best one I met here. And what I want to say is, like the friends are the one who will enjoy your success more than yourself. So I feel Crazy 5 is one of that team I got, and I'm really blessed to have them. That's it. Thank you.
And the weird thing in Nivedita is she has so much of work, and even she have work and she will spend time on that. And always when we have a call, and she will say every time, I'm busy. So every time I thought to start a call now, and she says that I'm busy, or Supraja says I'm busy. So that's how we started, and that's it. That's the weird thing. I will always be free because I'm not participating in many of the events in TOEFL or any other. But when I am free, they'll not be free. If they are free, I will not be free. So that's how we start. Anyway, we start our session, and we chat up to 30 minutes to an hour, and that's how the book was started.
Yeah, what about Supraja? Supraja is not full.
So we can't specify one incident, but we enjoy every day as a group. Not only 3 of us, but all the 5 of Crazy 5, we always enjoy our chat. Thank you.
Okay, Supraja. Do anyone have questions to them, to both the teams? Okay.
So to the uncommon accomplishments of common people team, how you are approaching the stories, like what questions you are asking, how you are connecting with them. I want to know it.
We are starting with their child life, and we start with that basic thing, and the precious moments and the unforgettable moments in their life, and that's why we are asking them to say your memorable moments in your life, or the person who are writing, whose story you're writing. That's.
Hello, Vinayana.
Thank you, Chandrudu. Yeah, Nivedita.
At first, we started with a message. We are Supraja and we are here to inform. That is for all of the authors. Anyone can send that message. We typed, we didn't kept the total message. We only said the basic of it, and those who are interested can ask us, and we will approach them, and we will say the whole procedure. About the other ones, I called my teacher, and also recently we also had a conversation with Sunita ma'am too. It was really a happy and memorable conversation for both of us, Supraja and me. She's so positive, and really I like her words a lot, and every word she says is really really inspiring. And she said about her childhood life, and also we asked a few questions like how is your childhood, and who supported you in your hard times, and what was the hardest thing that you have to believe, and also some of the questions like what is the happiest moment for you in your life. So these all questions we asked her, and she gave us really she explained her total her total childhood journey, and also her her studies journey, and what she likes the most. She said everything. Like that we are approaching them now. Thank you for asking.
Wow, I love that explanation. So, and towards the Top Mentors book team, how you are feeling to write about such accomplished people? Is my question clear?
Feeling.
The eldest people should start first.
Not much.
So,
only one year.
So Apurva should start.
Yeah.
These are all feelings, Anna.
Yes,
So
okay.
far, what we have said are feelings only. No words, only writings.
Thank you, Rohit. And Apurva and Deepti?
Writing about such accomplished people, I think we are not worth for that, but after listening for them, we are the one who should write their stories. I felt this thing before and after listening to their stories. They were really amazing. To listen, their words was really amazing, and to write, I can't express in words.
Wow.
Purva?
Thank you.
I can just tell only
Every
one
time
word.
Yeah. After every talk you have, Anna, super Anna, we are having goosebumps and messages after every talk. She's laughing like anything.
I just got crazy after every talk. It full on energy like that used to last for many days. The words everyone said, ante they wanted us to be the best versions of ourselves rather than changing us, molding us completely. The way they want to support us, the way they want to guide us is just incredible. Ante like valandaru they are like we are learning more from you. And we don't know what you people are getting, but we are learning a lot. So those words and like I said, the way everyone said, "Mirandar ma pillalu," everything. I just got goosebumps after listening to all their stories. They are just amazing, and we are blessed to have them. That's it.
Yes, like journeys are not uniform.
Very nice to say, Apurva.
Yes. Journeys are not uniform. Different mentors had a different journeys, so that's how it is making a great. We call it as great. And funny thing, yeah, it's totally funny and all.
And I would like to add this that mentors have different stories, but the thing which they want to convey is the same. But they are conveying it very differently with their experiences. That is really amazing.
Wow, nice observation, Deepti.
Thank you, Anna.
And selection of mentors.
Anna.
And selection of
Same thing,
mentors is Anna. Yes, Apurva. And selection of mentors is also based on like we cover different fields within our mentors, not the same path, like mentors on the same path. So we choose in different mentors on different paths so that we can have a versatile book that can explain different various versions of lives. So this is also one of the different things.
Different perspectives, right?
Yeah, different perspective, different professions, different ways, lifestyles and all. And we don't know about lifestyles initially, but we thought so they are different.
But after listening, it was different life.
Yes. Coincided. That was coincidence.
So all the best to the two teams.
Thank you, Anna.
From my side.
Thank you, Anna.
First of all, before joining the ESL, I had never thought that I will become an author of any book, and now I am an author, and we are writing short. I think that a author is having a bunch of knowledge, and he will present all that knowledge in his book, the long essays and whatever else. And Now we are writing a short and sweet book. I mean stories, and we are adding on it, and that make me that's willing me to write the book. And next, I learned a lot from this writing this book, teamwork, because if I haven't done anything, they'll if I say that thing to them, they'll continue that. So I learned teamwork from that, and how to procrastinate the work, because this is an endless book, so we can do that thing anytime because this is endless, so we can do that. And thanks to Shravan sir and my team, because they are encouraging me to write this and add those stories. Thank you Nivedita, Vivikta, Hafsa and Supraja. Thank you all, and thank you all to giving this opportunity to share my experience. Thank you all.
I would like to thank everyone for attending this session, and we are glad to know about your books. It was really an amazing session knowing about your efforts and achievements. Thank you Shravan sir, seniors and my friends for sparing your valuable time and gracing this event and making it more interactive. Thank you.